Ready to unlock AI insights from your BI data instantly and effortlessly? Or perhaps it's time to empower your analytics clients with their own intelligent AI data analysis advantage. Discover BI Genius, the game-changing no-code solution for creating and customizing specialized AI agents built specifically for business intelligence solutions. From the creators at Reporting Hub, who revolutionized white-label BI delivery, BI Genius empowers you to connect, configure, and deploy custom AI agents without any code or technical expertise. These agents are designed to interact directly with your data, leveraging advanced analytics capabilities to retrieve insights, answer questions, and highlight key trends in seconds. Now, like never before, you can bring AI to your BI, driving added value with intelligence, eliminating complexity, and delivering actionable insights with effortless simplicity. Deployed directly in your Azure environment, BI Genius works seamlessly with your existing Power BI semantic models. Even better, it can integrate external data sources to provide a broader, richer view of your business data. And unlike traditional AI solutions, there's no need to build and maintain expensive systems or train complex machine learning models. Once a data source is connected to an agent, you unlock a transformative approach to exploring and interacting with your data, delivering tangible business impact and smarter decision-making. Reporting Hub users already love the platform's powerful white-label BI capabilities, and BI Genius takes it even further. An essential AI add-on that seamlessly enhances the user experience. Design branded white-label BI agents for you and your clients. Imagine delivering AI agents under your own brand. BI Genius is fully customizable, offering a seamless branded agentic experience for you and your clients. Create and customize multiple AI agents. Why stop at one? BI Genius lets you build multiple AI agents, each tailored to different teams, business domains, or industries, ensuring targeted insights for every user. Easy plug-and-play setup. Getting started is fast and simple. No coding, no complex integrations. Just connect BI Genius to your Power BI models and start gaining insights in minutes. Your AI, your rules, fully deployed in your Azure environment. Unlike third-party AI tools, BI Genius runs entirely within your Azure environment, keeping your data secure, private, and fully under your control. Effortlessly share insights at scale with unlimited users internally and externally, while maintaining enterprise-grade security through granular access controls powered by row-level security. Complete AI transparency. With BI Genius, AI insights are never a mystery. Gain full visibility into how results are generated, building trust, ensuring governance, and delivering clear, explainable insights every time. BI Genius prioritizes clarity, transparency, and control, with tools available to confidently manage and explain AI-driven insights. Get a clear view of what's happening behind the scenes so you can understand how AI-generated insights are formed, validate model accuracy and relevance, provide meaningful explanations to end users, maintain governance and compliance over AI-driven decisions. By making AI insights transparent and interpretable, BI Genius ensures you can trust the data and defend the decision it drives. Every business has different needs, and BI Genius puts you in charge. With granular controls, you can define knowledge boundaries to restrict AI access to specific data sets. Apply data access controls to manage which users can interact with certain data. Customize agent behavior to align with your business goals. Your AI, your rules. With BI Genius, you stay in control. With BI Genius, you're unlocking game-changing value. Powerful AI insights with complete transparency and control. Take full control by building and configuring custom AI agents that deliver smarter decisions. Incredible results. No coding, no complex setup, just intelligent agents designed your way, working for you and your clients. Ready to take control and experience the power of BI Genius? Get started today.